Hello, Ashley. Good morning. You spoke with my partner Mary about 2 days ago about getting more leads and more business. So I just want to say thank you for taking the time for watching this video and then with speaking with her a few days ago as well. So really quickly, I wanted to go over three things I found on your guys' website. You can do super easy to beat out American arborists in your area. As we see here, they're located at the top of Google when you type in Reno tree service. They're located right here on the top of this GMB section, as well as right here in this organic listing section. And it's really easy to beat these guys, and I'll explain how in a second. So I know you're most likely sitting there asking yourself why I'm making you this video today. Well, it's really super simple. I found out that a lot of business owners are so busy actually running their business, they don't really have time to learn how the internet can bring them more leads and more business itself. And the only thing stopping them from hiring somebody is they don't understand who is and who is not an expert. So I found out if I make these attack plans and just give them away for free, some owners actually go out there and do this stuff on their own, and some of them actually end up calling me back. So whatever you do, whatever you guys decide to do with these information and these tips is totally okay with me. My only goal here is to just educate you and just give you some really good information. So like I said, I want to talk to you about three things today: content, backlinks, and citations. So the first thing I'm gonna go over here is content. As you see, I have you guys' page pulled up here. You guys have a really nice website here, nice colors, nice pictures, and everything. Very easy to read. What Google cares most about is this content you guys have right here on this home page. Google typically likes to see 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on these front pages because, in their eyes, that's what's going to keep customers not only on Google longer, but it's going to keep them on your page longer, which ups the chances of Google being able to sell the ads that they run on here. So Google's crawling websites, trying to see who has the most content right here to send customers to those pages, so they'll be able to stay on those pages longer. And we see you guys have about like 600 words right here on your guys' home page, which is not bad. It's definitely more than your competitors right here, American Arborists right here. And I'll explain to you in a second why they're beating you. But equally important to content on these home pages, you want to have keywords. So keywords is what people are going to be typing into Google when they're looking for business. So example, Reno Tree Service gets 320 searches a month. So you want to fill your home page up with all these keywords and these local areas you guys want to be ranked for, so Google understands to send your page to those people that's looking for the product that they need. So filling your home page up with these keywords and these different sections you guys have here will help Google send more traffic to your website. So the second thing I want to go over here is backlinks. A backlink is when another website is linking to your website, driving traffic to you. This is really important because Google is basically a popularity contest, and they want to see a bunch of trustworthy websites vouching for your website. But they want to see relevant companies, so they'll give you a lot more power for using other tree companies or other contractors rather than using like a Pizza Hut sending power back to your website, because Google understands you don't make pizzas for a living. So I like to use a site called Ahrefs to check this. There's a bunch of free backlink checkers out there. So you just find them on Google. But as we see, you guys have 23 different websites giving you a total of 128 backlinks. And a backlink is basically just your name right here listed in websites right here, like directories, PBNs, guest posts. As we hop over here to your competitors right here, you see they have 240 different websites, giving them a total of 915 links. So this is very easy to beat right here. Literally, all you need to do is copy these guys. If these were good enough to get them ranked, they'll be good enough to get you ranked. So we can see here, these are all the websites that they have their website listed in. So you literally just want to sign up for an account. Some of these are little blogs, so you create an account, leave a little comment, and then drop a link to your website in that comment you leave. So you want to come through here. They have 5 pages of these, so you want to come down here. You want to take all of these backlinks and go get them for yourself. With those two tips, that's what's going to get you ranked down here in this organic listing section on this first page, and that's really going to bring you guys a lot of traffic to your website as well. Obviously, the amount of organic keywords you guys are using, and it's really going to bring up a lot of traffic to you guys' site if you implement those two tips. So if you want to be ranked up here on this GMB, this Google My Business section, this has everything to do with citations. Citations are completely free, and a citation is anywhere your name, address, and phone number is listed in a directory. And a directory is basically just a website that allows you to list your business information. So I like to use whitespark.ca for this. As we see, you guys here have 20 citations. These guys have 37 citations. Similar to Backlinks, we can come in here. We can see exactly what citations these guys have. So we come up in here. We see they have Facebook, Yelp, Bing, MapQuest, Manta. So you want to come in here. You want to take all of these citations they have, go out and copy them, copy paste them. You guys want to go out and get them for yourself. And if they have 37 citations, I would suggest going out getting 100 to 120 citations to really blow these guys out the water. So that's all I have for you, Ashley. I tried to keep this pretty brief and do it as fast as I can. Hope the information was useful. Quick recap: I went over just getting 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on this front page, as well as adding in those high volume local keywords that you guys want to be ranking for. Then we talked about backlinks second, coming out and getting all these backlinks and copying these guys' backlinks right here. And then we talked about citations, going out and copying these citations and going out and getting more to really dominate the game right here. With all these tips, you guys will be dominating Google on these front pages right here. So again, my name is Devin, and if you have any questions, my cell phone number is 775-402-2885. Thank you for your time.